So you can see here now, just pop this vent off on the outside and you can see that's the CCTV camera light there. Just want to show you here, if we can get a bit of zoom in there, you can actually see you've got a big void in there as well, where the insulation is damaged. And what's happened is, you've got the warm moist air coming out of here and condensing and running down the back of here. And obviously you've got this on here as well, it's very restrictive. And you've also got some sort of adhesive there. Again, it's restricting the airflow rates. So by having two grills on here as well, you can imagine, it's making it a lot harder for the Mvhr unit to actually work, which we don't need to, you can just get away with the one on there. On this one here, this is air in. Again, got two vents on there. What you can see here is, let's have a quick look on there. See, it's filthy, so it's restricting it again. Again, you've got big voids down there as well, so sucking in air from within the cavity, or shall I say behind the insulation. And this is some real basic stuff. Again, you've got two vents restricting it, and you can just see on the back of this one here, I don't know, well, you can see it on there, zoom in a minute, you can see at the bottom there, it's really restricted again, and now you can see there's a lot of, not too sure exactly what it is, but we're cutting all this out anyway, so we will find out exactly what it is there, but this is some basic stuff. So if you're having retrofit done in MVHR units, make sure they're doing it properly. Well, thanks for watching.